Welcome to the Seller Helper. Our tool is designed to push any of our products directly to your sales channel with very minimal effort. When you first load our tool, you'll be on the How It Works tab that'll give you a brief overview of what all the tabs are, how they work, and what to do. I'm not going to go into too much detail on this page right now as you can review it later. But to get started, you'll come to the side menu and you'll click on Channels. We're going to start for this demo and connect our Shopify store. So to do that, we'll enter our store name in the box and click continue. Since we're already logged in, it'll be a quick connect. If you weren't logged in, it'll have you log in, agree to the terms, and then connect your channel. So we'll click continue. Our channel's connected. And the first tab it puts you on, you'll notice there's a list of new tabs available, is the account tab. The account tab gives you an overview of your current connection status, what your username is that's connected, when you connected your site, all of the update status, when the last update occurred, when the next update is to be expected, and what the actions happened during that update. There's also a delete account button so that if you don't like the tool, you're not stuck with it. You can just click this, remove your sales channel, and that's that. We will no longer be able to access any data from your channel. Now that you have your sales channel connected, you can go ahead and click on the Preferences tab to set up your settings. You'll notice the first section is for automated ordering. By default, it is set to manually, which means when your customer places an order with you, it'll automatically go to your Manage Orders tab where you can one-click approve or deny the order. If you set it to automatically, whenever your customer places an order, it'll automatically place in our system, charge your credit card, and ship the order out to your customer for really fast processing. The next section is for pricing. It'll take the item cost and then it'll add whatever you set here to cover your marketplace fees. By default, we have it at 4% for Shopify fees. And then you can set what you want to put in your pocket for profit based on the cost of the item. So the lower the cost of the item, the higher the markup. And then as you can see, the numbers go down as the prices get higher. The next section is for inventory control. The first one is the out of stock quantity. So if you don't want to sell products with only 1 or 2 in stock, you can set this to say 5. And that means anytime our stock runs below 5 available, it'll automatically end the product and remove it so your customers can no longer buy it. The next one is the max quantity allowed. So if we have a product with, say, 10,000 in stock, you might not want to show 10,000 available on your sales channel, so you can limit it here. So let's say we put 10. That means there'll never be more than 10 available on your channel at any given time. Now, if we only had, say, 4 in stock, it wouldn't put 10, it would just put 4. And then we have handling time. By default, we have it to automatically set, which means our system will automatically set your handling time based on what our average ship time is for any given product. 99% of our products ship same day, but there are cases where some products might take a day or two extra to ship, and this would automatically update your handling time accordingly. Once you have your settings the way you want, just click the Update Preferences button to save it, and then you're ready to move on. Once you have your preferences saved, you can go ahead and click on the Available Products tab. This is where you will actually send products to your sales channel. You have multiple ways to narrow down products that suit your needs, such as the search box or these various filters. So let's say you only want consumer electronics, you can click on that and your grid will just be loaded with consumer electronics. Once you want to show all products, you can just click the Show All Products tab and everything will appear again. Over here, you can click this to send all the products shown below in one click. you can change the how many you show per page all the way up to 500 so that you can send up to 500 at a time. So you can basically load up your store rather quickly. You can click this edit product button to customize your title, change the UPC code if needed, add to the original description. Anything you put here will display above the description. Once you've found a product you like, you just simply click this send to Shopify button, just like that, and the products will go directly over. You also have this block product button. So let's say you don't want this product to ever be listed on your Shopify account. You simply click block product and the product will be removed and no longer available to list. Any products, once you've selected your products to send, you can view them here. They'll stay in your in queue tab until the next time the inventory runs. Remember, you can click on your account tab and you'll see the next update right here. And when it hits this time, those products will be pushed. Until then, you can remove them from the queue or you can clear all the queue and then no products will be listed. After your inventory runs, or if you already have active products on your sales channel, you can click on the Active Products tab to manage those. You can remove them individually by clicking the Remove From button, or you can remove them all or all the visible ones by one single click. Remember, you can change the show per page to show more. If you have a lot of products listed, you can remove a lot of products very quickly this way. You can also edit the product, so if you want to change the title of a live listing or add to the description or update the UPC code, you can do it via this button right here. You can click this button to view the product directly on your Shopify store, or you can click this button to block the product and it'll remove it from your sales channel and add it to your block list at the same time. If by chance you've submitted a lot of listings and you don't see them all here in your active products tab and they're no longer in your in queue tab, you can click over here to your failed to list tab and they'll show up here along with an explanation as to why they failed. In this particular case, we don't have any products that failed to list. The next thing to know is your block list. To get there, you come over here to the left and you click on block list, and you'll see the rule that we created when we blocked a product earlier. But let's say you want to block a group of products from a specific sales channel. You can click here on the first drop down and you can choose everywhere I sell or your sales channel. We'll choose Shopify. From here you can block by SKU, UPC, MPN, manufacturer, keywords from the title or keywords from the description. So let's say we got a notice from HP that they don't want us selling their products online. You can simply choose manufacturer is HP and click submit. And that creates a rule that will block all products from HP from being listed to your sales channel. And if you currently have any active products by HP, it'll remove those as well. Now let's say you contact HP, request permission to sell them, and they approve you as a reseller. You can come back to your block list, just hit click block list on the left, find the rule where you're blocking the manufacturer HP, and click the delete block rule. That will allow the products to show back up on your tool again under the channels tab to be able to send to your sales channel without being blocked. Now that we've gone over how the inventory system works, let's check out how the orders work. On the left hand side, you'll click Manage Orders, and that'll take you to the Order Manager. You'll notice several tabs over here on the left. You have Action Required. These are for new orders or orders that have failed the automation process. In Queue are for orders that you've approved or have been approved. and are waiting to be picked up by the warehouse. Awaiting shipment are orders that you've been charged for, have been picked up from the warehouse, and are awaiting shipment. Shipped orders are orders that have shipped your order history for the life of your account, and refunded orders are for any orders that you've paid for that have been either returned or refunded before being shipped. We'll start with the Action Required tab. You'll see here's a new order from Shopify, and you have a button that says Manage Order. If you click that, you'll see your order number, when your customer ordered it, how much your customer paid, what the shipping address is, what products belong in that order, your total. If it's shipping to Alabama, you'll notice there's sales tax, and then the total without signature delivery. You can check this box if you'd like to add signature delivery, which adds $6 to your order, and then your new total. And then at this point, you can either click Approve Order, or Hide Order, or Close. If you hide order, it'll be removed from your Action Required grid, and you'll no longer be able to process it through the one-click system. If you approve the order, it'll move to in queue, and then we just wait for the warehouse to pick it up and it to start the processing period. Orders that have shipped will show up here. You can request a return if your customer decides they need to return the item for any reason, and you can click to view order or tracking information. Here you'll see the tracking number, the total amount you paid, the order number, your seller helper order number, the carrier, the address, and all of those things. You can also download a PDF of your invoice from here, or you can download your entire shipped order history via CSV file by clicking this button. Refunded orders are the same way. Any orders that'll be refunded will show up here, and you'll be able to download your order history from here. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service, and have yourself a great day.